Hi students, today's class is on triangles and its properties. Based on sides, the triangles can be classified as equilateral, scalene, isosceles triangles. Equilateral means and based on angles, the triangles classified are acute right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Now, obtuse angle triangle means one angle is more than 90 degrees. That is if you see this angle is 120 degrees, so this angle is more than 90 degrees. We will call this type of triangle as obtuse angle triangle. The other angles will be acute angle, less than 90 degree. This angle and this angle are acute angles. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. That is, side AB is 3 cm, BC is 3 cm, CA is 3 cm. These type of triangles are called equilateral triangle. Also remember, the angles in equilateral triangle will be 60 degrees. Angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree. That means this angle, and this angle, all angles will be scalene triangle. All three sides and angles are different. This means this side, and this side, all sides will be different. Also, the angles will be different: 35, 60, 85, for example, and the sides will be 3, 4 and 5 centimeters. We will look at one example now. Find the value of x in the following. Find the value of x in the following. This means if we have a triangle ABC, we have to find this angle x. Two angles are given. Angle B is given. Angle B is equal to 50 degree. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. We have to find the value of x. Sum of the three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. This is the definition of triangle. Now, by using this definition, we will add three sides. We are having x, 50 and 60. X plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. Now x plus 50 plus 60 is 110 degree is equals to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 110. This is equal to 70 degree. So this angle is 70. Another example is, we are having a triangle where this angle, the symbol indicates this angle is 90 degree. The other angle is given as 30, and we have to find the third angle, that is x. How we are going to solve? Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We will write all the three angles. We will add up. X plus 90 plus 30 is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 90 plus 30 is 120 degrees is equals to 180 plus 120. When it goes to this side becomes minus 120. 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees is the answer. The next example is, this is a triangle PQR. QR. In triangle PQR, we have to find this value y. It is given as, this is given as 120. So from here to here is a linear pair. Always remember, this is a linear pair. So what we will do, we will add 120 plus y. Y plus 120 is equal to 180. This is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. Now we have the value of y. Y is 60. Now we have to find the value of x. How we are going to solve this? We'll use the formula in a triangle. In a triangle, sum of three angles is equal to sum of three angles is equals to 180. Now in triangle we have three angles x, 50 and y. X plus 50 plus y is equals to 180. We have just found out the value of y. Y is 60. In place of y I will write 60 is equals to 180. X plus 110 is equals to 180, and plus 110 when it goes to right side becomes minus 110. X is equals to 70 degrees. Linear pair means this is the answer for this. Okay, whenever you have a triangle like this, from here to here, this is called a linear pair. Suppose I have 60 here, then this angle will be 120. Or if you have 80 here, then this angle will be 100. So that means when you add this angle and this angle, it should be equal to 180. Such a pair is called linear pair. The next example is, in this triangle, this angle is given, this is 80 degrees. We have to find this angle, x, and then y. How we are going to solve this? This angle is equal to 80 degree. This angle and this angle, both are vertically opposite angles. So x is equals to 80. We have the value of x now. Now we have to find the value of y. So sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. X plus 50 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. The value of x is 80 plus 50 plus y is equals to 180. 80 plus 50 is 130 plus y is equals to 180. Y is equals to plus 130 when it goes to right side becomes minus 130. 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. We have the value of y also now. So x is equals to 80 and y is equal to 50. Vertically opposite angles, always remember. Suppose I will take another example. This is y, this is 20. So these type of angles are called vertically opposite angles. The next example is, find the value of x, y and z. This we have to find out, this and this z. How we are going to solve? First we will take the linear pair from here to here. This is a linear pair. Using this linear pair we will find x. Using this linear pair we will find y. Okay, how we are going to do this? x plus 55 is equals to 180 degree. This is a linear pair. Plus 55 when it goes to the right side becomes minus 55. X is equals to 180 minus 55 is 125. 180 minus 55 is 125. Similarly, we will find the value of y. Y plus 90 is equals to 180. Plus 90 when it goes to the right side becomes minus 90. Y is equals to 180 minus 90 is 90. Now we have the values of x and y. This z, I can use this z as a linear pair, because from here to here this is a linear pair. Z is equals to z plus 145 is equals to 180. Z is equals to 180 minus 145. 180 minus 45 is 35. We can find z also by using the triangle sum of triangles. Z plus 90 plus 55 is equals to 180 degree. I am using this triangle. This triangle I am using. Okay, z plus 90 plus 55 equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 55 is 145 is equal to 180. Z is equals to 180 minus 145. This is equals to 35. We will get the same answer whether you solve like this or by using the sum of the triangles formula. The next question is, find the measure of third angle of triangles whose two angles are given. Here two angles are given as 38 and 102 degrees. We will suppose let the third angle is equal to x degree. We will use this sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We will add this x plus these two angles. 38 plus 102 is equals to 180. 38 plus 102 is equals to 140 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140 is 40. Same way I want you guys to solve this problem. The another example is, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. How we will find? We will use given ratio. Given ratio is 1:2:3. What we will suppose? We will suppose let this as x, this as 2x, and this as 3x. These are the three angles. Sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now we will add these. X plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 180. 6x is equal to 180. This 6 will be divided here. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 0 left. So I have got the value of x as 30. Now first angle I have got, second angle is